Hello, Billiard Addicts PH. So, welcome again to another episode. So, today I'm very excited because today I just purchased my most expensive cue yet. Okay? So, in US dollars, magkano ba siya? Nung pagka-check ko, it's 3,089 US dollars. Okay, so sa peso, almost 200,000 pesos to. So, medyo mabigat-bigat. Okay.
Maglulustay lang ako ng pera.
Okay? So, I'm very excited to present the Predator Virtuoso Turquoise. Ayan. Diyan yung logo. And ayan yung mga marking. Turquoise siya. Okay. So, ayan. So may mga lining din siya na gold lining. Tapos may turquoise blue na design. Tapos naka-lux leather wrap siya. Ayan, nakita. Ayan yung logo ng Predator. Original. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan yung model niya. Virtuoso. Predator. Turquoise. Virtuoso. So, it's very beautiful, guys. And it's a little bit expensive, but it's really, really pleasing to the eyes. Ayan. Okay, so ano bang features niya? So, ayan. I-close up mo lang. So, some of the features, aside from the mentioned the rest, ayan, this is a Unilock. So, para malaman nyo rin na original, merong Unilock logo there. Tapos, yung color ng Unilock niya nasa parang bronze or parang copper or something. Okay? Basta hindi siya bakal. So, it's not really steel. So, it's made of sort of copper or I'm not sure what kind of metal. But the color, it's brownish color. There. Okay? So for the Aura, it's gold. Or I'm not sure if the same as the Unilock pin for the Aura. But this one is a Unilock quick release. So overall, this is a 19-ounce butt. Very, very beautiful. And well-balanced. Okay? So let's do the test roll. So as you can see, products from Predator are really pristine. That's why they're the most expensive ones, or one of the most expensive ones, because of its very, very high quality. Okay, guys. So that's it for the review and presentation of the Predator Virtuoso Turquoise. So I hope you like our video, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put your comments, and please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and see you again to our next Billiard Addicts PH vlogs. Bye.